How to fix 802488015 error on Windows 10/8/7. Here are some tips that would help fix 802488015 error on Windows 10/8/7. 1. Adjust date and time settings. FYI, only, try setting your date to something older than March 12, 2017. 2. Disable third-party antivirus, if applicable. 3. Run Windows Update Troubleshooter. And, try installing every other pending update automatically, first. 4. Install updates via Microsoft Update Catalog, manually. 5. Reset WU components. 6. Uncheck Give me updates for Microsoft products and check for new optional Microsoft software when I update. 7. Check if you've run into malware issues, using the recommended Avast Internet Security in this video guide. 8. Dodgy drivers. Try using the recommended Avast Driver Updater in this video guide. 9. Run http://ds.download.windowsupdate.com/v11/2/microsoft update/redr/v6-mu auth.cath to fix the Windows Update issue.